Hi guys, another bargain store gold or garbage video. Not finding much in the charity shops at the moment, so I'm back in Poundland again. I also seem to be doing a bit of a theme on padlocks. This one's a combination lock, cost £1.50. And then little mini tape measures, 80p these were. I'll do 30 inches, 31, 32, 33, 34, I think it's going to break, 35, 36, it's still going, 40 inches, 102, can we see that? We're not in focus, are we? Can't, there we are. 40 centimetres, 102, sorry, 40 inches, 102 centimetres. Is that going to go back in now that I've pulled it all the way out? No, it isn't. Well, that's its first fail. Oh, we've got a fair bit of spare. Is that going to come right out? Yeah, it's come right out. Now, actually, believe it or not, that is one reason I bought them. I actually wanted a bit of flexible steel, I hope. Spring steel, which ties into the padlocks. Have I still got the other ones laying around? Yes, I have. Right, what I did with these was made up some little shims of thin metal that you slide down. Can we do it on this one? Must be the other side. That doesn't want to open. No, did it. There we go. So you slide them down and push the latch across. Now, that's a piece of aluminium or drinks can. That's a bit of steel from a spray paint can, which is a little bit stronger because that one was a bit stronger. So you needed a bit more, the spring I'm talking about inside on that latch. Can I push that in there? No, you need to be able to push that out the way. So that's the bit that goes into that slot just there. Anyway, so I was playing with them and I was trying to find suitable bits of metal. So when I was in Poundland today and I saw these, I thought, I wonder if they'll do the job. I'm getting a little bit sidetracked, so I was going to talk about that one. I wonder if I can cut these with scissors. Yes. I just cut a little bit of a point on it. And which side was it? Yeah, I might need to put something on them to bend them round a little bit. Well, we're getting sidetracked from the actual... That's typical me, isn't it? Yeah, that's what you can see what I'm thinking. See whether I need to put a bit of a curve on that so it matches the curve on the shaft of that, or the hasp, I think it's called. So that's what I bought that for. Well, also I thought, yeah, it might be a handy little measure, but clearly if you pull it all the way out, the spring doesn't work. So that one's now junk. Hang on. Let's try not to take too much time over this, but let's just see what happens if we try and get this apart. Get that off. Come on. What's holding you on? Just the shape. Really ought to come out now. Yeah, it's just a bit of plastic inside. And I expect that will split open. Yeah. Well, that's what went wrong there. Well, that bit there broke. So that's probably got to go in there like that. And then be wound round. I wonder if it's pre-wound before they put it on, or whether. That'll be the locking latch. Am I pulling that the wrong way around? Can we tell? Yeah, it's quite literally just using the springiness of the metal itself to wind it in and out. It'd probably be easier to wind it up first and then try and push it in. Oh, this is going to be a longer video than intended. Got sidetracked. Right, so there's our spring. It's going to go in there like that. And then we need to grab the middle of it. It probably needed a kink bent into it. I should have done that first. Right, I think we've got it in there. Something like that. And as you pull it, that's tensioning that spring. And it should pull itself back in again. Probably needs to be tighter wound to begin with. Yeah, that's not quite going to do it, is it? But you've got the general idea of how it works. And then, say that piece, simply there's a little, there it goes. You push that down and that just jams it. Yeah. Need to wind it up tighter to begin with than I did. But you got the general idea. And as I say, I want that bit of springy metal anyway for a different purpose. But you can see how it would go back together. Right, that'll do on that video. That's 14 minutes messing around. I'll do another video to look at that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing.
and somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.